Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our science fair. My name is K. Varshita Reddy. I am from 7th class. Today I am going to explain about inner structure of an eye. There are many layers in an eye that work together to create an image. The first layer is cornea. The outer layer is called the cornea. The cornea is a clear and transparent hemisphere like structure barriers and also protect us from the infection. The next layer is iris. Iris is a blue ring-like structure and colorful part of an eye. Some people have blue eyes and some people have green eyes, etc. This portion is called the pupil. Pupil controls the amount of light to enter our eyes. Pupil controlled by the iris. Behind the pupil and iris there is a transparent structure called the lens. With the ciliary muscles, the lens can change its shape to focus light. The lens becomes thicker when it tries to focus on a distant object and when it tries to focus on a nearby objects. The next is the retina. The retina consists of thin layers of light sensitivity tissues and numerous cells. The retina converts image formed by the lens into electrical impulses and transmit to the brain to the optic nerves. How our eye works. Imagine you are seeing alphabet W through the eyes with the help of light source. The first light rays pass through the cornea and then iris and pass through the lens and finally arrives at the retina. Retina converts the image formed by the lens into electrical impulses and transmit to the brain through optic nerves. In retina we can see the image will be inverted or upside down. The W will appear like a M and next it passes through the brain. The brain processes impulses in its correct orientation. The W will appear like a W. Thank you for watching.